that is searching. Uh, this is the part of seventh experiment. Seventh experiment is programmed to understand sorting and searching using array. So we will cover the searching topic in this video. Searching is an array or a technique that helps to find the place of a given element or value in the list. Basically, linear search is what we have some elements already in the array, and now we have to find a particular element is present in that array or not. That particular element is called key element. We have two types of searching algorithms in programming: linear search and binary search. Linear search is also called sequential search. In this video we will cover linear search. Students, you can see the process of searching, the process of linear search in this slide. We have a key element 8 and we have to find that this 8 is present in the array or not. Okay, so actually we will check each element with the key element. We will match the each element with the key element, and we will stop the process when we will found that element. I will give you a demo for the same in C programming. Okay, just a minute. Friends, we will see the program for linear search. As you know, this is our first step to include the header file stdio.h. You already know about this header file. Next header file is include conio.h. Full form is console input output header file. Void main. Students, obviously this program is related to array, so we have to declare an array with the size 10. Okay, here we will also declare a element, key element, which we have to find. This key element is inputted by the user. So first we will input the elements of the array. This is just a message. Enter the elements of the array. We will use new line operator. Now we will use our function scanf, which is used to input the elements %d and %ai. In my previous video, I have already told you about the input of an array. We will use for loop for the same. I equals to 0, I less than equals to 9, and condition will be I plus plus. Here I is the counter variable, so we also have to declare the element, variable I. Okay. From this for loop, we can input all the elements of an array. Now we will input from the user the key element. Enter the element to be found. Enter the key element. We can also write the statement. We enter the key element. Key element is what? This is the element which we want to search in the array. Scanf. For this, we have declared the variable key. So we will use the ampersand key. Okay, students, now the concept of linear search is what? We have to match each and every element of the array with the key element. So for that again we will use a for loop. 9 I plus plus. In this for loop we will use if statement. If a of I is equals to key, then we have to stop here. So we will use a variable here, flag, and we will enter the value 1 in this flag variable. We have to declare the variable also, flag equals to 0. We have initialized the value of flag with the 0, and here we reassign the value of flag equals to 1. The basic concept is what, students? If we found the key element at the ith position, then flag will be 1, otherwise flag will be 0. After the for loop we will check if flag is equals to 1, then we will print that element is found. Printf element is found. In else part we will write else means if we will not found the key element, then the value of flag will be 0 only. In that case the else part will be executed. Element is not found. And of the main function we have to use the getch function. You know already the work of this function. We will save this program by the name linear search .c. Okay, you can see the output. Undefined symbol scanf. So I think okay, scan is not any function. We have to use scanf. We have to enter the elements of an array. So we will enter 10 elements. Okay. Now next we have to input the key element. So suppose we want to search that 78 element is present or not in the array. You can see the output is element is found. We can do one more thing in this program. If we want to print the position also, in at what position we have found the value of key element, then we can use one more variable, position is equals to I plus 1. Whenever we will get the value, then only this if statement will be executed. The flag value will be now 1 and position is I plus 1, because I is started from the 0. So position will be 0 plus I plus 1. Okay. We have to declare this position variable also. So we will declare position. We can also can print the value of this position. Element is found at the %d position. value of position will be printed here. We have not used the function clear screen, that's why previous input output is present here. Anyways, we will input 10 elements. Suppose we want to search the element 79. Element is found at the 9th position. You can see that the number 79 is at the 9th position. I hope this now you can understand what is the concept of linear search. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.